In the store. What should I get? What should I? Okay, read this again. 5 minutes later. Cost $20. I can do it. After the store. That's the guy I got. What do you get? Yeah, what do you get? Yeah. Ugh. I got a fidget cube. Those are the lucky fidget spinners. What's that? I can take it. That's mine. So we're gonna do. Oh, I got my pencil. Okay, so where's the pencil? Ooh. 1 spin, 2 spin backwards. Oh! Switch off. What was that? What's a card machine? Wow, that was great. Oh, man. Well, anyways, it was great. Get out here. Oh. Now, what do we do with this? Hey. How do I don't know. I got it. Also, Freddy got it. Bon, Fanta Foxy. Man, probably below I got it, but I don't know where she is. No talking sound. Oh, below, up here. I just met you before. I don't see any. Oh, yeah, I can see it. Actually, those are actually red marker. What you don't get? I don't get it. I have no idea. Well, actually, I don't know me too. I don't. I mean, I get it. Please. Oh, I can see it. What's the other one? I didn't get this one, bro. Well, I can little see that. I can see that right there. Okay. Which means Bon. And then that, like, you know. Oh, I got it. Also, Bob got a baby pig one. It had so much. And that's a little one. Where's the other? I can see it. One guys will get it except for me. I didn't get it. I got fidget cube. You are so lucky. Well, yeah. Yeah.